Marisa.
Hi, I'm Mieke.
And we're traveling through Thailand as a first time backpacking trip experience ever. This vlog is going to be more of a travel vlog.
People talk of paradise.
Yeah, this is a terrific day.
Golden light. I've been looking to the sky.
Oh, this is fun.
But I don't think I got it right. It's when there's only you and
Oh my god, I hate you!
get that electric feeling. Breathing in our lungs, tasting on our tongues, and feeling something electric. Feeling with you. People talk of paradise.
Good morning! We're currently waiting for our tour. Today we are going on a tour to the floating market and another market. I forgot the name, it's very hard to pronounce. The train market and a floating Damnoen market. So yeah, we'll see how today goes.
Limits higher, higher, higher. That electric feeling, electric feeling with
And the tour included a train ride up into the market. And once you get off the train, it's a race against time because the train only stops at its station for like 15 minutes and then you need to be at the end of the market because there you have a perfect view of how the shops open and close again for the train. It's a very cool spot and I would highly recommend you to go to this place.
Hello, welcome to Damnoen floating market. I probably pronounced that wrong. According to our guide, this was the first original market in Thailand, original floating market, and it's still pretty busy, but it's mostly just one alley full of boats. It looks really, really cool, but it's also very, very busy, crowded, a lot of people, a lot of tourists, a lot of engine revving. Yeah, but it's fun. This is our second market. We just went to the train market and now we're going on a boat to see the floating market. Yeah, this is a terrific day. It's very nice. It's not too hot, so yeah, though I am sweating. Afternoon. We're currently hiking, well, walking actually, on a trail with a group to discover some waterfalls and Khao Yai National Park. It's been a hectic few days in Bangkok, and now we welcome the nature very warmly because yeah, it was time for a change. Bangkok has a lot of stuff going on all the time. It's constantly busy, constantly buzzing, and now the only sounds that you hear are the constant buzzing of Mieke, Mieke and jungle noises, which is a welcome change.
Baby, I need to know, instead of walking alone, tell me which way to go.
Hi, we just arrived after a busy day of exploring the national park. We were very lucky that our tour guide could drop us off here and then drive back to Bangkok, because we actually just did a one-day tour to Khao Yai, and she just dropped us off. They dropped us off here. Just super nice. It was a group tour. Can you imagine? Like the entire group just went along, dropped us off, and then left to Bangkok with a slight detour of an hour and a half or something like that. So yeah, that's something they do here. Tomorrow we are planning on finding, well, our hotel was so kind to arrange us a taxi to Ayutthaya, or Ayutthaya, Ayutthaya, I'll just say Ayutthaya, to go to a train station, to travel with by night train to Chiang Mai, and after that we'll just go to hostels and see where the trip will bring us. So yeah, off to a good start.
We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you. For summer is for falling in love. Stay out late until the sun sets past 8.
Please notice that if you go into any temple, you have to wear long clothes, like cover your shoulders, cover your legs, because that's the way to show respect.
Okay, am I emphasizing the importance of showing respect in temples? Yes. Do I do that while ignoring a sign that says do not climb on this? Also yes.
You sure? Yeah, do not climb on this But okay. And if you buy a ticket, you want to go inside, obviously. But we were wearing shorts, and Mieke had it even worse. She was wearing a short tank top too. And normally they hand it out, but this specific temple didn't. So we had to buy our cover-ups. Like for me, it was only, I believe, like 4 euros. But you had to buy full dress, which is. It was like 7 euros.
No,
more even.
no, because together we paid 4.30. 4.30 is Let's see, 270 minus 4.
Oh,
I paid like €6.
€6 for a skirt and a dress. So yeah, be aware of that.
We both know to be fleeting, like the last breath of a sunset right before the day is dead. But maybe the heat of today could keep even winter away. So I'll remember your laugh, 'cause nothing ever changes the fact that summer is for falling in love. Da-dun-da-dun-day. Summer is for falling in love.
Nooit meer de trein.
I'm sorry.
Marisa booked the train. She didn't ask me for my opinion. She booked the upper class. Well, you cannot sit straight.
Wonder.
Thank you, Marisa. Zoals mijn flesje. Zoals mijn flesje. Hier, Mieke. And you don't have to get out of your bed every single time. But it's good for the muscles.
Midnight yoga.
Great. Oh yeah, one last tip. You can put your bags under the bed. And we don't think there is any food in the night, or you can buy any food in the train. So as a tip, buy enough food as breakfast or maybe dinner or midnight snack or something if you want to eat, because this train will provide that.
We stand corrected. We did get food. There is food on the train. So you don't have to buy that.
Personally, this was one of the nicest ways to travel. The train was so clean, the personnel was very friendly, and everything just worked. It was so easy to travel with this train. It was a night train from Ayutthaya to Chiang Mai, and it had everything that you needed. There was a toilet, there was a sink, and yeah, the cabinets were also very clean, pretty comfortable despite our complaints at the beginning. And sure, it was a little bit chilly, so I would recommend to use or wear a sweater or something on that train, because yeah, it can get a bit chilly. But I really wouldn't have wanted to travel any other way, because this was so nice. It had everything you needed. There was breakfast service in the morning too. Oh yeah, and there was a special outlet for your phone to charge. So one of the best ways to travel or to cover ground in Thailand. Also, an important note, book the tickets in advance for this train. Because it is this easy, it's very popular for tourists to use this train, and it can be fully booked pretty easily. So if you're right on time and you know you're gonna travel to Thailand, yeah, book the tickets in advance. Also, we use the website Want2Go Asia. It's a very easy site to book your tickets for the public transport in Thailand in general. So yeah, that's something you can consider. And that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, but stay tuned, because on the next Thailand vlog, we make a bad decision and fail to communicate.
Doe je daar ook een fotofilms maken? Of fotofilms? Maakt niet uit. Chris?
Ja, doe ik zo.
Ja, stop.
Op.